Good afternoon, my name is Ever Harrison Moreno Augusto. I'm a student in the University National Open a Distance program in General Industrial. The video is of course negociación, valoración de negociación. Step 6. Proprietary technology negotiations. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. A software can be protected in Colombia through a copyright restriction. If you read the National Directory of Copyright, the NDA. It is not considered a patent since it is not neutralized, nor is it one of the legal categories there can register through patents. Value methods we use to establish the price and the reason of the selection. To establish the price to market network was used house. It addressed the calculation of royalties and establish a range that goes from 25% to 20% of project income according to the analysis of illicit average in the those companies similar to companies that software Colombia. Variables to be considered. Here to be projects .2021. General condition of the leasing and the negotiation. Items, parties, start date, direction. Nature of the licensing type. What is your cost? Launch your rights. Payment is your license options here on lines. Right of the first result is scope of lines exclusivity. Liability warranty of licensed patents. Ownership insurance. Conclusion. At the end of the activity, the import of caring about the technology calls. Negotiation can be defined, framing the practical exercise of the present year. I want the student to be about publish of the given list to following to fuel with the papers establishing the method. This is conclusion of working of course negotiation valoración de technology. Fine, thanks very much.